And in this field, you can master how to make complicated structures like human-machine interfaces. These human-machine interfaces can be found inside of cars, inside of museums, like digital visitor for digital visual visitor experiences, and inside of the companies, industries for controlling the machines. This is just a small representation of what can you learn and study in this field. There are many more interesting things to learn here, like how to program a PC, how to control devices over long distances, how to make cool electronic equipment, etc. Inform yourself on the internet, and good luck.